Students, good morning to all. In previous classes, we have discussed about the numbers which is not a perfect square are irrational numbers. Now we shall prove that the numbers having not perfect square are irrational by using contradict fact. What is contradict fact? Contradict fact is that suppose root 3 is an irrational number, then we suppose root 3 is rational, and then we will prove our supposition is wrong, and if our supposition is wrong, then the given condition will be true. That is called contradict fact. So by contradict fact, now prove that root 2 is an irrational number. How will it prove? We will prove by supposition method. Let रूट 2 एक इरेशनल नंबर नहीं है. अगर इरेशनल नहीं है तो क्या होगा? रेशनल. रूट 2 बी a rational number and rational number can be written in the form of p upon q. Also p and q are integers where p and q are co-prime and q is not equal to 0. If p and q are integer and co-prime means p and q having only one as a common factor, that is HCF of p and q is 1. If root 2 is a rational number, then root 2 can be written in the form of p upon q. Root 2 is p upon q. Equation first. On squaring both sides, root 2 is p square upon q square. On cross multiplying, 2q square is equal to p square. It means 2 divides p square. Also 2 divides p. If 2 divides p, then it has 2 as a factor, means p has 2 as a factor. Then factor of p will be 2 and 1, this co-prime 1. तो p के कितने फैक्टर हो गए? 2 फैक्टर हो गए. और जिसके 2 फैक्टर होते हैं वो क्या होता है? 2 or more, composite number, but it is co-prime. Now again let p is equal to 2m. Since p is divided by 2, then p is multiple of 2. Putting the value of p is equal to 2m in this, 2q square is equal to p square. P square means 4m square. q square is equal to 4m square by 2, yani 2m square. This can be written as m square is equal to q square by 2. It means 2 divides cow square also, or 2 divides cow. It means 2 divide p and 2 divides cow. तो 2 divides p and cow both, दोनों को डिवाइड करता है. So p and cow are not co-prime, but we have taken p and cow are co-prime. It contradicts fact, or so by contradict fact, our supposition और our assumptions जो हमने लेट किया है, our supposition is wrong. अगर हमारी supposition wrong है तो फिर right क्या है, सही क्या है, जो पहले given था. So रूट 2 रैशनल न होकर के, ये तो हमने लेट किया है, रैशनल न होकर के क्या हो गया, इरेशनल. रूट 2 इज एन इरेशनल. Similarly, we can prove 2 plus root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, root 6 is irrational, root 11 is an irrational, and so on. इस टाइप से हम किसी भी नंबर को इरेशनल प्रूव कर सकते हैं by contradict fact. All the steps will be same in all questions. Thank you.